The BRABUS 900 Rocket Edition is based on the Mercedes AMG 63, but it has been completely transformed by BRABUS. They have increased the engine displacement to 4.5 liters, added new turbochargers, and tweaked the software to unleash 900 horsepower and 1250 Newton meters of torque. That's enough to launch this beast from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 280 kilometers per hour. The car also has a stunning exterior design with a carbon fiber wide-body kit that adds 10 centimeters to the width of the car. The front has a spoiler with side flaps that improve the aerodynamics and reduce lift at high speed. The rear has a roof-mounted wing and a diffuser that also enhance the airflow and stability. The car also has some unique details, such as the red stripes, the illuminated rocket logo on the grille, and the twin side pipes with carbon fiber trim and ambient lighting. The wheels are massive 24-inch monoblock Z-forged wheels with aero discs that reduce turbulence and optimize cooling. The tires are high-performance tires from Pirelli that provide excellent grip and traction. The brakes are upgraded with carbon ceramic discs and 6 piston calipers that can stop this rocket ship on a dime. The interior is customized with black leather with red stitching and perforations. The floor mats, pedals, and steering wheel are also finished in black and red. The car also has some exclusive features, such as the BRABUS speedometer that goes up to 400 kilometers per hour, the BRABUS stop button, and the BRABUS plaque that indicates this is one of only 25 units ever made. The BRABUS 900 Rocket Edition is a remarkable car that combines the performance of a supercar with the practicality of an SUV. It is a rare and exclusive masterpiece that will make anyone who sees it jealous. If you want to get your hands on one of these, you better hurry up because they are selling fast and they won't be cheap. The price tag for this monster is around $600,000 yet. So, what do you think of the BRABUS 900 Rocket Edition? Do you like it or not? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.